Tried every free burner app for Binance? They all failed because you're doing it wrong. Free VoIP numbers get rejected instantly by Binance's verification system. And that's a problem when you want to protect your privacy. Here's why those free apps fail. Binance specifically blocks VoIP numbers to prevent fraud. What you need are real SIM-based numbers, and that's exactly what MobileSMS.io provides. Since 2018, we've helped thousands of crypto users verify their Binance accounts without exposing their personal numbers. Our service offers actual SIM card numbers that Binance accepts, not the virtual numbers that get flagged. For just $4.50, you can get a one-time number for initial verification. But here's the smart move. Get a 30-day rental instead. Why? Because Binance often requires re-verification, and if your temporary number is gone, you could lose access to your funds. Using our service is simple. Sign up, deposit funds, select Binance from our service list, and get your number instantly. When Binance sends the verification code, it appears right in your dashboard. Don't risk your privacy or your crypto. Use MobileSMS.io for a reliable Binance verification bypass that actually works.